Enough salt, it looks like we do.
This is what you came for, right, Annie? This is it. The tons and tons, thousands of tons of salt in here. Guys, this is your customary first winter storm of the year salt dome shot. But in all seriousness, thousands of tons of salt ready to be put into brine and ready to go for the week as Montgomery County, Prince George's County, Frederick County all brace for the biggest storm people are anticipating in quite some time. In the meantime, we also found shoppers also bracing for the biggest storm here. Brace for the worst and hope for the best. That's how things looked. We stopped first to Stroh-Snyder's Hardware in Kensington. We found folks there in and out, revolving doors. You hear the honking? Too many people in the parking lot. It was mass chaos there. The manager says at Stroh-Snyder's they ran out of salt, de-icer, lanterns, and batteries early, but they keep getting shipments of shovels. And by the way, they'll have more salt tomorrow, they tell us. We saw a packed parking lot of the Giant supermarket in North Bethesda, but we're also seeing people constantly restocking the shelves. Now, when it comes to the county angle of this, leaders in Montgomery County and Prince George's County say they're ready, but they're asking for you to be patient.
It's going to take a while to get things clear. It's going to take a while to get all lanes clear. So be patient with this and understand that we're dealing with something that doesn't happen every day.
We have more than 300 trucks available to treat and clear primary, secondary, and residential roads.
So just for a size comparison, I'm almost 6 foot, or maybe I am 6 foot, hard to say. This is how much salt is here in this one dome, and there's another dome over here in Montgomery County just the same. This would be, if I climbed it, the tallest hill or mountain I've ever climbed, but I'm also not a hiker, so there's that. We're going to continue following this throughout the afternoon. Of course, Montgomery County, Frederick County, and Prince George's County officials say to get on their social media and their websites for the latest information. That's where they'll be updating things that are going on and any sort of crews that they see. And coming up at 5 o'clock, we're going to take you inside some of that last-minute panic buying madness to show you, if you haven't already, what it's like out there in the wilderness when it comes to last-minute storm preps. But for now, in Rockville, I'm Matt Gregory. Back to you.
Matt, I'm nervous. I need some milk. I'm afraid when I go after work today, there won't be any. We'll check back in with you about the panic
you know, I think there will be.
Okay. Well, there's plenty of salt, though. Thank you.